good a show, I think I heard George say. We've got a grain bin that runs along with a harvester, which is a lot easier than running a trailer. And it's a Fendt 724 Vario. It's pretty busy in this one field here today, as there's a big variety of extra vehicles along here. There's the harvester over there, but it's pretty busy today over here. The grain bin chaser grain bin is quite unusual to me, as I've never really seen them, but they do get used by the look of things. He's got his lorry, he's got two Fendts and Valtra by the look of things, a DAF truck, and then there's the Fendt 724 Vario. DAF XF. A Valtra in red T131 with a Bailey grain trailer. And Vario 718 with a Stewart silage trailer here. And it's Cowan, pure Cowan. Here's one of the Fendts, the Fendt 718 Vario, going to empty the combine. Now with Peter Cowan, and he's combining some wheat, well, he's harvesting some wheat, sorry. Cowan's second lorry, he runs two, I think, just two, and now they're both here. One's white and then the other one's blue. They're both over there, you could probably just see them. Leave this field, I'm just going to quickly show you these two Peter Cowan's lorries. They're both two the same, they're both DAF XF trucks, apart from one's got a blue cab and one's got a white. One's a DAF.